Welcome back to Silicophilic. I recently received a massive Word document from a colleague. It contained hundreds of pages, high-resolution images, tables, and years of archived content. But when I tried opening it, Word immediately displayed an error. Word cannot open this file because it is larger than 512 MB. At first, I thought the document was corrupted. But after some digging, I discovered that this is actually a limitation inside Microsoft Word, and there are several ways to work around it. Here is what I did. Open the file using Word's Open and Repair feature. Start with Word's built-in recovery tool. Open Microsoft Word, click File, select Open, locate the corrupted document. Instead of clicking Open immediately, click on it and then click the small arrow beside the Open button. Choose Open and Repair. Extract the contents without opening the file. If your Word document is too large because of embedded images, you can reduce its size. Rename the file from .docs to .zip. If you don't see file extensions, enable file name extensions in File Explorer. To do so, open File Explorer, click View on the top menu, hover over Show and select File Name Extensions. Open the zip file and open the media folder. Move or delete some of the large images. Now rename the file back to .docs and open it in Word. If Word asks to recover the document, click Yes. After opening the document, you will see empty image box where the removed pictures were. These are called image placeholders. Right-click an empty image box, select Change Picture, browse to the folder where you saved the original image. Then click the arrow next to Insert and choose Link to File instead of Insert. Finally, save the document. Open the file in Microsoft Word Online. Open the file in Microsoft Word Online. If the desktop version of Microsoft Word refuses to open the file, try opening it in Word Online. First, upload the document to OneDrive. Go to the OneDrive website, sign in to your Microsoft account, click the plus New button and upload the document. Once the upload is complete, click the file to open it in Word Online and check if it opens successfully. Alternatively, you can visit Word Online at this. Sign in with your Microsoft account, upload the document and try opening it in the web version of Word. Sometimes Word Online can access documents that the desktop application struggles with. If the document opens successfully, save a new copy and try opening the new version in Word again. Split the document into smaller parts. If the document contains hundreds or thousands of pages, consider dividing it. Open the folder. If it opens, copy sections into separate files. For example, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, instead of storing everything inside one massive file. Smaller documents are faster to open, edit, and save. Recover content from the document. If the document still refuses to open, Word may still be able to recover the text. Open Word, go to File, then Open. Browse to the document. In the File Type drop-down, select Recover text from any file, then open the document. Formatting and images may be lost, but you can often recover the written content. Repair Microsoft Office. If the problem continues, your Office installation may be damaged. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Locate Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click the three-dot menu, select Modify, select Repair. Restart your PC after the repair finishes. Also make sure Word is updated. So that was how you can fix the error. Word cannot open this file because it is larger than 512 MB. One of these methods will usually get your document back. If this guide helped you, write to us in the comment section provided below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Silicophilic, and I will see you in the next one.